Hey man, it's your boy Alia, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, the CEasy sign kind of got a little rock star flow. First thing I want to go ahead and say is happy Thanksgiving to each and every single one of you guys. I hope that you're blessed and you're just enjoying this time with the people that you care about and that you love. But I gotta keep this intro short and sweet because we have about 10 minutes before this drop happens. I have a Warren Lotas live cop for you guys. This one is mainly for resale purposes. If you saw my last live cop, I'm essentially doing the same thing. $300 is around my budget. I want to get 2 sets for reselling, hopefully 1 for the personal. If I don't get 1 for the personal, I mean, it is what it is, but we're gonna aim for 2 for at least reselling. I have the pieces from the last drop. I've just kind of been overwhelmed and busy, so if I can cop things today successfully, then expect like within a week or so, I'll probably do like the whole Warren Lotas little drop, and then I'll list the pieces on my ground, or y'all can just check it out and make sure to follow @_easy resell. That's where I list all the things. I have so many things to basically sell, but I want to make the videos reviewing the pieces first and then going for that. So I'm not gonna waste any time. Let's go ahead and check out these pieces. Remember, if y'all new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and like up this video, subscribe if you're new. Got crazy content on the way, crazy hauls, crazy V-Loan, crazy outfit challenges, crazy surprises, just crazy stuff, man. Very, very excited because I got to finish this school year up strong, and then I'm finna start pumping out these videos. But anyways, let's cop these pieces. All right, y'all, so right now, we basically live in effect. I just got the glasses. I was just in that mood. We're literally like a minute out. Yeah, we got about like a minute or so before I'm constantly refreshing the page. And the reason why I'm going heavy for this one on the reselling tip is, I don't know if you guys have like been hip with like what Warren has been trying to do. Essentially, all of these pieces are pre-made, so you should be able to get them within the week, which essentially means that the exclusivity of his pieces is back, you know what I mean? And even without the pieces being exclusive, they still go for a good bit off of you know, Grelled and whatnot for the reselling value. So I think for me, I think it's a smart move for me to go ahead and take a risk with these pieces. On top of that, I freaking like his graphics. So for me, it's a win. What do they mean it's a pre-order? Oh well, that's it. Come on. Dude. Okay. So 285, this should be like a full 310. Oh, come on. Dang, a lot of people are definitely doing it. Free shipping. I think I did this one a little bit faster. After this, we're gonna go ahead and hopefully, you know, we cop these pieces. All right, bet. And this is actually pretty good. No taxes on these. Ideally, let's say that I go ahead and I choose to keep one. I should be getting these pieces within the week or so. They should be shipping out fairly quick compared to basically what the man said. So we're gonna go ahead and just take a look at all the other pieces. First of all, let's see if he made a post. I don't think he made a post, a new one. Should be like within. So he hasn't said anything. I don't know how long things are gonna be up. It says continue shopping. I'm excited that I went ahead. I was able to pull the trigger on some of these pieces. Where is the big collab? This one is supposed to be going for $333. I mean, it's tough. It's a do or die. It's basically from 2 bigger fashion people, supposedly. Okay, so got the stickers, don't really care about that, don't care about the underwear. The cap is tough, 65. I'm gonna have to go ahead and pass on that. I'll pull the trigger on this piece right over here. I think it's pretty fire. Yeah, but that's gonna be definitely a piece for this reselling. This one over here, this one is tough as well. This was one that I was thinking about pulling the trigger on. I'm not gonna lie. Just cause, you know, I'm getting like MJ vibes from this. but I was just like, you know what, let me go for something different, because I had this one. This one is one that I wanted really, really bad. You know what I mean? So I had to make sure that I got this one for the personal. And overall, it's basically the same prints besides this one. Like, these two are the ones that are different, and then you have all of these. All right, you guys, so in all, that was the live crop. Personally, bro, I think I've low-key, like, I've gotten better, you know what I mean? From the beginning, I remember I wasn't like the best person whenever it comes to, you know, being able to check out fast and whatnot. I don't know how many people was looking after this, because I'm still like on the website. I haven't seen that anything sold out yet. I say give it like a few hours. I basically just went ahead and decided to take the risk on it, just because the fact I'm pretty confident that I could go ahead and sell the few pieces that I already have from, like, you know, the little NBA collab for a profit. I have 3 pieces in total. I spent like the same amount, let's say like $285 or whatever. And if I can just sell those 2 for, like, let's say just $120, or just, like, you know what I'm saying, if I'm able to push it close to $150 each, I mean, I feel like that would be straight. Or just in all, just basically make a profit on each one of those shirts and then take the hit on the piece that I wanted for myself. I'm still fine with that. And overall, you know, I'm messing with it. If I upped the budget, I would have got 2 pieces for personal, and I probably would have tried to sell like 4. But I want to see how this new wave for Warren Lotas goes before I try to, you know, bunker down and like start going crazy to where I'm spending like $500, $600, $700 on his drop to go ahead and resell. Again, guys, I just want to go ahead and say happy Thanksgiving to each and every single one of you guys. I hope that you're able to spend this time with your loved ones, and I hope that you guys remain safe. In addition to that, I just want to go ahead and say that, bro, I got a lot of new things coming for the channel. Right now, I'm kind of in the process to where, like, I want to upgrade my equipment, especially my laptop. If you guys have been noticing, I've been trying to up the editing, you know, even with like live cops and stuff. I'm still trying to figure out new ways that I can kind of go ahead and make the videos, you know, more entertaining to watch. I got crazy amounts of outfit challenges for 2021. I'm literally going to be just upping the stakes, you know, everything that I was able to accomplish in, say, my first year on YouTube. I want to go ahead and like triple, or just quality wise, I want to times everything by 10, make things nicer, better to watch. You know, it might not be as frequent because I am putting forth the effort and time to make, you know, the videos just better, you know, better quality, more entertaining, making it better for you guys to watch. Shoot, make it better for myself to watch, you know what I mean? And I have way more ideas, I have more challenges that I want to go ahead and just get out for you guys to go ahead and see, because I know you guys will enjoy it, especially when it comes on the fashion tip, because I have been spending crazy amounts of money on, like, you know, my fashion, bro. Like, I really kind of feel like I've upgraded. I want to kind of like branch out into like more, you know, avenues when it comes to fashion, not just the streetwear, you know, but even if it's a chill fit or just finding more unique fits. If you guys are checking out my IG, I'm trying to like up the standards for like the pictures that I post, and just a whole lot of stuff is coming for 2021. So I'm very excited. I hope that you guys are excited as well. As always, make sure you guys go ahead and smash up that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button, bro. Like, we're really close to 3,000 subscribers. Anyways, this was the Warren Lotas live cop. I ain't gonna waste no more time. It's your boy Alia, aka CEasy, and I'm out.